An agreement in principle, which we called an AIP, is a certificate that shows your borrowing capacity if you proceed with a full mortgage application. It is not legally binding to anyone, which means that the lender could, in theory, withdraw it at any time. But as long as the information is accurate in the AIP application, lenders almost always honour it at the full mortgage application stage. Agreement in principles have an important purpose in people looking to buy property. They are used by clients to make offers on properties to purchase. Estate agents will request an AIP so that they can see your mortgage affordability before they will accept an offer from you for a property. But for remortgage cases, agreement in principles have almost no purpose other than confirming your affordability and credit file fits the lender's criteria. When we process an AIP for clients, lenders may leave a soft or hard footprint on their credit file. A soft footprint has no impact on your credit file because it cannot be seen by other lenders, but multiple hard footprints can be detrimental. An agreement in principle is typically valid for 30 to 60 days, so if you are looking to purchase a property, do be aware that you may need to ask your broker to generate a new certificate if your existing one expires. Read our blog linked below on the topic if you would like to learn more. Also, if you would like to learn more about mortgages, contact Boon Brokers on our website, boonbrokers.co.uk. We can offer you a free consultation call if you would like mortgage advice about your specific circumstances.